Hello, friends. This is our sixth session. I know you are really eager to know what is our today's session. But before going for the session, we will have a quick recap of all the sessions of KMM 2020 which we had till today. So, do you remember our session number one? What's your story? There we discussed about closed door, burning points, and open door, turning point where your life turned around. Which story you tell to yourself? Negative story or a positive story? Do you remember Anupam Kher? What his father told to him? जो भीग गए हैं उनको बारिश का डर नहीं लगता. And our second session, secret to defeat all the disappointments, where we meet a superhero. We discuss about Glad Man. Here Glad stand for G for gratitude, L for laughter, A for ambition, and D for development. And the most important statement of that session: life without ambition is a bird without wings. And third session, Bharat at 100. In Bharat 100, we talked about power of one. My life changed because of one person, where I discuss about Umesh and Vasant. Then Latin phrase, percussa resurgo. Sleep, tumble, fall down, but get up, bounce back. How you want to see Bharat at 100? What is your vision for Bharat at 100? How do you are going to make this in next 27 years? What is your contribution for this great country so our Bharat will become Jagat Guru once again? Then our fourth session, breathe well to live well. Here we practice few breathing techniques. Breathing is extremely important in our life. To live long life, peaceful life, joyful, healthful life, we have to learn a right kind of breathing. Then our fifth session is the mantra of success. In life, you don't get what you desire. You get what you deserve. And for that, the mantra is CRSE. Consistent, refined, self-driven effort. The effort has to be self-driven. Friends, there is no alternative to hard work in generally we understand. And now this is our sixth session. Make thing happens. What is make thing happens? In short, make thing happen is I'm not going to wait for somebody to make things happen for in my life. I'm going to make things happen for myself. Or there might be lot of people who want to achieve as same what I want to achieve. Alexander Graham Bell was not only person who was trying to invent telephone. There were few more people who were also trying to invent telephone. But finally, who made it? That's important. I'm much smaller than what I want to do. I want to make things better. My responsibility, sooner and better, make things happen. Make things happen is all about assuming responsibility. If things are not happening as per my wish, can I say I'm going to make things happen? If I find myself little off track, can I say I will bounce back, I will make things happen? I'm not good in studies as compared to my other student in our class. Can I say I will make things happen? The world belongs to only those who say I will make things happen. The world is not for those who say I don't know how to do things. The world is only for them who say I will make things happen. Only three words: make things happen. This conviction will become a real anchor for you, which will help you to be on the right track. Who is the leader? Leader is the person who always think I will make things happen. Challenges always makes life exciting. After having extremely tough challenges, can I say I will make things happen? Things has to happen. This year, because of COVID-19, my work has stopped. Income has stopped. My investment and expenses at my farm has increased beyond my imagination. It became extremely tough for me. With all this, keeping my cool, preparing my KMM session, delivering it by the digital media was extremely scary challenge for me. But I said I will make things happen. And this is our sixth session. I will make things happen. Three small words make things happen. This is what created Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. This is what created APJ Abdul Kalam. This is what created Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, and this is what created Mahendra Singh Dhoni and also Virat Kohli. What is different in these people? That they have trust within. They have faith within. I will make things happen. And this determination of making things happen, you apply CRAC, consistent, refined, self-driven effort, and then things becomes reality. Dear friend, it is extraordinarily essential to learn this skill to make things happen. Now, in the journey of life, study is very important or extremely important part of our life. Here the question comes to my mind, is there any technique to be successful in study? Yes, there is a study technique. If you follow this study technique, undoubtedly you will be super successful. So how do you make things happen? To be successful, it is very important to have a right mindset. How are you going to have this right mindset? Let's go back to our session number 4. If you want to master our thoughts and emotion, can I master our life? And to master our life, we have to master our breathing. Then we did breath of adventure, breath of ocean, breath of lightning, breath of bees, breath of steel, and then breath of cosmos. For me, I love this sea and ocean. So I also love breath of ocean. I think let's do it once. So are you ready? Okay. Start in a comfortable pose. You can be seated in the chair or on the floor or standing in a natural position. Make sure your back is straight, your neck and shoulders are relaxed, and then close your eyes. Take few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathing from deep within your belly. There has to be a sound while breathing, and we'll do it 5 times, like and now slowly open your eyes. It sounds like push and pull of the ocean or on the ocean shore. Now after breathing, you are feeling fresh. And that's right kind of breathing always offer us lots of positivity, lots of energy. It makes you completely relaxed. It helps you to drive away the shame, the guilt, the sadness which you have. And the most important, It improves your grasping, basically grasping capacity, and help to focus, which helps from these study techniques, where focus and peaceful mind is extremely helpful. So let's start with the first study technique, which is preview, study, and review. Okay, when you go for any trip or any tour or any kind of expedition to any new place, what you do? We plan. Now, for example, you want to go to Fort Raigad. First time you are going to Fort Raigad. Actually, first time you are going to Raigad district. What you will do? You will find someone who has already been to Fort Raigad. You will ask question that how to go to Fort Raigad from Pune. So he or she will guide you that there are two ways to go to Raigad, but via Tamini Ghat is the better way. So you go from that side only. So once you start from Pune, go to Chandni Chowk, then from there go to Paur, then Mulshi, then Tamini Ghat, and once you drive down the Tamini Ghat, go towards Nijampur via Mangaon MTDC, and from Nijampur it is just 28 kilometers. It's a beautiful scenic drive along the Lake Mulshi, then Tamini Reserve Forest, Tata Hydropower, and Garumati. And once we reach at the base of the fort, how should we go up there? Oh, there you go by the cable car while going up, and while coming down, you can come by steps. But if you're physically fit and if you want to test yourself, no, then go and come back by the steps. It's fun. Oh, then where to stay? See, you can stay at MTDC Resort or Joe Guest House, Deshmukh Hotel, or there are many more options also. All are good. You'll find these details on internet. And what to see there? Is there a guide? Yes, of course. I have a number of that guide. You can check with him. He's one of the best guide on that fort. Now, when you listen all this, then you check the YouTube videos on Fort Raigad, and after when you actually go to Fort Raigad, you very easily connect with everything. You will like, अरे अभी क्या तामिनी मुर्शी लेक है ना, तो अभी इसके बाद तामिनी घाट आएगा. You enjoy the journey at every moment. The connect happen just organically. It's same when you talk about study. When you take little efforts for your preview, you enjoy the review. Now, if you know that your teacher is going to teach you geography tomorrow, and we are going to learn about Brazil and South America continent. So a day before, if you just glance through that chapter, gather some information from internet, do some study about the subject. If you read a book, try to understand it. So where Brazil is exactly, where it is located, and in what is their location in that continent, which is the capital of that country, what is it is famous for, how is it, how the people and what is the lifestyle. When you are ready with all this information, then you will attend the class, and then you will listen to your teacher. And when you listen to your teacher, you take down the notes. In the evening, when you come back at home, and again you will review, it will become so easy for you to understand every small bit of that session. It will keep your interest high for all the times in the class. That preview has made you familiar to that subject. It becomes so easy for you to connect. It's create a tremendous interest in that subject. You become familiar to that subject. This little preparation for the class makes everything so easy. Your grasping, your interest, your absorption to improve, it improves remarkably basically. If you follow the preview, study, review, you go much deeper in that subject, and retention becomes much easy for you. You do not have to study for a long time. Before the exam, with this technique, if you understand every subject, it will be very easy for you to, and it will take you to a new high. Preview, study, review. Our next technique is We call it FTF, FTR. Really smart one. What is FTF, FTR? It is first thing first and first time right. What is first thing first? It's like what is important at this moment. Let me do that first. What is important thing which I need to drive my life at this moment? Let me do it first. It means whatever is important, I will do that first. Everything else will be later on. You know, my son Mallar, till last year, in every parent meeting, his teacher used to tell me he's good in everything except his homework. Now, this year, because of COVID 19, all of us are at home. And when he is on the session, at the end of every session, his teachers ask for some homework to complete. And there is a beginning, we forced him, basically in the beginning, we just generally force him, and to complete his homework. And that homework immediately after the session, he used to send to his respective teacher. It started happening regularly. And every teacher noticed this change and they started appreciating him in front of all the students. He also started feeling better that people are appreciating me, teachers are appreciating me. His interest in homework or study improves automatically. And nowadays, because of this, he also gets lot of extra time. He finished every homework without any pressure. Actually, he don't have pressure of study nowadays. Just imagine you are at inter school sports meet where you are appearing for 100-meter sprint, where you need to be basically that extraordinary energy, that focus, and same time you see there are 25 messages on your screen. What you will do first? Checking the messages or focusing completely on those 10-12 seconds which you are going to run? Of course, run. The few best seconds of your life. First thing first. Undoubtedly very powerful tool for those who want to make things happen. And what is first time right? First time right means I want to do things with zero defect. In first round itself it will be zero defect. Means I am not going to manage things afterwards. Whatever I will do it perfect in first round only itself. Okay, a very appropriate example. When you come back from school, you will remove your shoes. Your one shoes will be at the left corner of your house. Your other second shoes will be at the right side of the garden. Your socks are lying somewhere near the washroom. Your pants is in the cupboard. Your name tag is lying on the bed. Your school bag somewhere in the kitchen. Your cycle keys is in your shirt back pocket. Now, next morning, when you prepare yourself for the school, just imagine how much chaos will be there, how much confusion will be there. मेरा ये कहाँ है? आप लोग मेरी चीजें उठाते हो पर जगह पे रखते नहीं हो. मुझे लेट हो रहा है. ये हमेशा का है. And so on. So, if you keep all these at the right place in the first round, at its right location, next day you will save a lot of time, lot of energy, lots of efforts. There will be a peace. There will be happiness. There will be you will enjoy it so much that you have so much free time to practice different things. Completing homework and assignment, writing journal, taking out note. If you do it all these things at the right time in the first round, you will save a lot of time. पहली बार इतना अच्छा करने का ना कि like do it and forget it. Do not have to repeat this again and again, and there will be no rework. First time right. So first we discuss about preview, study, review. Then first time right. First thing first and first time right. And the next study technique which we are going to discuss now, which is one of the very important, which will keep your energy or your enthusiasm to the high level till the end of the activity, which is 50 minutes an hour. Now what is 50 minutes an hour? The most important aspect of what we do, we generally lose our motivation. We generally, when we don't take break, you generally feel tired. The best philosophy for this is relax while working. It means do not relax at the end of the day. Relax as you're working. In short, to be relaxed, you do not wait till the end of the day. Ensure the work will happen as per your schedule for 1 hour, which you are going to complete within 50 minutes. And in remaining 10 minutes, you are going to have rest. You will do something else which will make you relax. For example, listening music, singing a song if you want to sing, enjoying dance steps, doing stretching or some stretching bending exercises, checking your WhatsApp messages, or quick walk of 4 5 minutes just if you want to go out, or just close your eyes for 3 minutes if you are continuously on the screen, continuously using computers. Anything which will make you relax. You can have a small bite also, quick bite. Take small break which will keep you in the right frame of mind while working. Please do not work without stop. Even in the school, you have few long and short recesses, which is actually the process of regenerating or recharging, which recharge you because you take that small break within. So when you want to study 4 5 6 hours, after every 40 minutes or 50 minutes, take a short break. Now 50 minutes an hour means not exactly 50 minutes an hour. It means whenever you want to, whenever your intensity is dropping down, take a break. So it can be 40 minutes, it can be 1 hour, it can be 1.5 hours. But please do not reverse this number. Otherwise, it will be very tough. Let it not be a break of 50 minutes and a study of 10 minutes. This has to be only 10-minute breaks. You can say 10-minute power break, like a power nap. If you follow this process, you don't feel tired even though you work continuously for 10 hours. And when you don't feel tired, next day also your energy or your excitement remains as it is. The next technique is eat light. Do not eat very heavy food. When you want to study, the lighter you eat, the better you will perform. Avoid fried food if you want to focus. Just imagine at night you want to study little long, and just before that you had a tasty Chinese rice with Manchurian, then pizza with extra cheese, then at last chocolate cake and gulab jamun with your favorite pot ice cream. What will happen? You will feel like sleepy. Feel like do not want to do anything except rest. I just want rest. Feel like bloated. You are putting lot of time and energy, but you are not on the peak. You know, eating light is the secret of success. When you eat more, it is also make lot time to digest. Now, for example, when you eat non-veg food, it takes 24 to 36 hours to digest. Any pulses or grain, it takes around 8 to 10 hours. Any good leafy vegetable, it takes 3 to 4 hours. And any good fruit, it takes just 1 to 2 hours. So mango, अपने जुन्नर का जो है ना, शिवनेरी अल्फांसो, mango, apple, banana, pomegranate, watermelon, muskmelon, and these are the best options. And these things digest also very fast and also give instant energy. Dear friends, in mountaineering, any hardcore mountaineer in a high altitude, they never eat too much. He will eat very high calories but very less food, because when you eat more, your body consumes a lot of energy to digest. With eating less, you also save that energy. So we started with preview, study, review, then first thing first and first time right, then 50 minutes an hour, then eat light, and next is digital detox. Now nowadays basically there are few instruments which has become a part of your life, like we cannot live without them. Just imagine your life without LED TV, without computer, without iPad, without laptop, without mobile. We are so much into this digital world. Lots of research has been found when I'm too busy with my screen or I'm too involved in that, I kind of develop little numbness. I become helpless. I put something on the screen and then I become anxious. Like how many people will like that, like this? What are their comments? Why others are liking so much? Why not me? When you study with the computer, all the times it never gives you any type of emotions. From your teacher, you'll get some emotions. From your colleague, you will get a lot of emotions. You don't get any energy or any emotions from the computers. You know how much time we spend in this with this digital world. We One research has in cyber media, they said that in India before lockdown, people used to spend around 2 to 3 hours on internet every day. But today, because of the lockdown, we Indians, and on an average, every day we spend 6 hours at least on any type of digital screen, TV, computer, laptop, mobile. And there is a fear, if this continue, we Indians are going to spend one fourth of our life in this digital world. And definitely it will invite lots of mental and physical problems. So digital detox is very much important, very much important. Here I am not blaming digital media or digital world. I know because of this we also achieve and we are going to achieve great success in this world. Undoubtedly, it is very important. Undoubtedly, we should have the knowledge and the awareness about this media. Only we have to use it with a lots of caution. You can plan next 2 hours, no screen. Just give this time to break with the digital world, and that is called as digital detox. This will help you to concentrate and focus on your study. The next one, which is also very important, is rest enough. My dear friends, adequate sleep is extremely important for your focus and your peak performance. Generally, we say peak dynamism is not possible without the peak staticity. Rest always rejuvenate your body, your mind, ultimately, which keeps you mentally and physically fit. And fit by body always produce fit brain, and which produce a better result or the best result. And now I want to discuss very important the last technique. The last technique is talk to the positive people. This technique has a huge power. This help you to be on the right track. Even though it is very difficult with the positive mindset, some of us have very good people around us as family members, but they are little anxious. They give they become angry very soon. They feel panic very soon. They find wrong things quite fast, and as a result they do not add positivity, and we lose a positivity around, which never help you to be focused. And this negativity become a part of your life. Because of the presence of these people around you, you also start behaving like them. But you cannot be like that, like those people. You have to make things happen. So what can be done? You identify positive people around you. It can be your teacher, it can be your friend, it can be your parents, it can be your relative, it can be your neighbor. Find positive people. Find people around who are naturally positive, which will change your belief. In the world, there are very beautiful place that I am strong enough to make things happen. This belief is very important. You say, I am blessed when you are surrounded with this type of positive people who always take charge. Make this a habit to be with the people who always inspire you, who always motivate you, who always energize you, who always push you or nudge you to do better. These people are going to change your life. These people are going to change your belief, and basically there will be positive mindset. And ultimately your behavior is also going to change to make things happen. So friend, what we studied till now as a breathing, as a study technique, we discuss about breathing exercises, preview, study, review, then first thing first, first time right, 50 minutes an hour, light food, digital detox, rest enough, talk to positive people. Now just imagine you have all these tools around you, and with this tool, if you follow CRAC, consistent, refined, self-driven efforts, what result you will have? You will be there much better than better people. Friends, since our third session, we are discussing about Bharat at 100. What are your thoughts about our nation? What is your vision? How you want to see this great nation after 27 years? We are going to make a website as bharatat100.com. So how you are going to be a part of that website? By sending 2 or 3 minutes videos on 77410 8500, or you can write a essay around 250 words on Bharat at 100, and that you also can send. My dear friends, you really want that feeling of positivity. We really want you to feel proud for this great nation, also about yourself. Then please make this video or send this to Apo number. After completing this, I am sure you will experience this positivity for yourself. Friend, don't wait for people to make these things happen. You take charge of your life. You take charge to make things happen. And then automatically people will come to you to help you to make things happen. There is only way in life it says and do makes things happen. Don't think you're small to make things happen. Don't wait for anybody. Let make this happen. Just keep this echo continuously in your mind. I will make things happen. And just practice this. All the very best. Thank you very much.